Wizard, have you ever wondered why some people seem to have the Midas touch when it comes to money, while others struggle to piece together their financial puzzle? Dave Ramsey, a well-known name in the world of personal finance, has a surprising answer to this question. It's not just about earning money, but how you manage it. And believe it or not, the path to financial freedom and a comfortable retirement is not filled with shortcuts, but rather with conscious and strategic decisions. Imagine living without the burden of debt, watching your investments grow, and finally achieving that dream of passive income that seems like a distant myth. Ramsey believes that anyone can start investing and building wealth, even without being a finance expert. And the most intriguing part? He claims that you don't need to make a fortune to become financially free. You just need to follow some solid and well-founded principles. In this guide, we will uncover the secrets that Dave Ramsey shares for beginners in the world of investing. Get ready to discover how to start investing smartly and securely and transform your financial life once and for all. In today's world, where money seems to be king and debt is the norm, Dave Ramsey reminds us of the importance of living debt-free to achieve financial freedom. By avoiding debt, you can use your income more effectively, investing in your own wealth rather than constantly paying interest. This lifestyle opens doors to opportunities that many don't even imagine, allowing you to focus on building a comfortable and secure retirement. Many people consider it normal to be burdened by credit card debt or student loans. However, Ramsey argues that true financial freedom begins when we can avoid or eliminate these debts. Instead of drowning in payments, we should focus on creating passive income that can sustain our long-term dreams, such as a worry-free and secure retirement. Imagine a scenario where you have no debts and are investing in growth and income stock funds. Over time, your investments start to generate dividends, and suddenly, the retirement that seemed distant becomes a real possibility. Ramsey suggests that the money that would be spent on debt should be redirected to investments that generate passive income, creating an additional source of income for the future. A practical example is someone who spends $200 a month on credit card interest. If that amount were invested in a growth fund, it could significantly contribute to increasing wealth over the years. The passive income generated from dividends from good investments works in your favor, allowing you to have a steady income source even when you're not working. The key to this lifestyle, according to Ramsey, is detailed financial planning. Starting with a clear budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and focusing on eliminating debt as quickly as possible are crucial steps. Although it may seem like a daunting task, the long-term benefits are significant. Without debt, you can direct more money into investments, accelerating the growth of your wealth. Ramsey also emphasizes the importance of financial education. Knowledge is essential to avoid costly mistakes and ensure informed financial decisions. He recommends that everyone seek to learn about personal finance, whether through books, courses, or financial advisors who prioritize teaching rather than selling products. This knowledge is crucial for building a solid financial strategy and achieving the desired financial freedom. Dave Ramsey frequently highlights the financial impact that car payments can have on our lives. In the United States, the average payment for a new car is approximately $503 per month. This is a significant amount that could be better directed towards investments that build wealth over time. Instead of committing to monthly payments, Ramsey suggests that people consider buying quality used cars, which are more economical and allow the money to be invested in other areas, such as stocks or investment funds. Imagine if, instead of spending that $503 monthly on a car, you invested that money in a growth fund. Over time, these investments could multiply, providing significant passive income through dividends. This is one of the paths to achieving the much-desired financial freedom. By avoiding car debt, you can allocate resources to build a solid financial foundation, ensuring a more comfortable and less dependent retirement. Additionally, new cars depreciate quickly, losing value as soon as they leave the dealership. Ramsey points out that by buying used cars, you avoid the peak depreciation and still get a vehicle in good condition. The money saved can then be invested in other financial opportunities, such as growth and income stocks, which have the potential to build wealth over time. It's a strategy that not only preserves your capital, but also multiplies it. Ramsey also suggests that, when considering the purchase of a car, it's important to evaluate the real need for the vehicle and the financial impact it will have. Often, we opt for more expensive and luxurious models, not out of necessity, but out of a desire for status. He recommends careful financial planning, considering all options and always prioritizing investments in assets that generate long-term returns. This approach not only helps avoid debt, but also fosters a wealth-building mindset. To illustrate, think of someone who decides to buy a used car instead of a new one and invests the saved difference. That money, invested in a growth and income fund, could become a significant amount over the years. Ramsey believes that such decisions are crucial for achieving financial freedom and building a solid wealth foundation. It's a matter of prioritizing future financial stability over the immediate desire for a new car. Finally, Ramsey emphasizes that the opportunity cost of car payments is often underestimated. The money spent on interest and depreciation could be working for you, generating dividends and increasing your wealth. By avoiding these costs and investing wisely, you are one step closer to financial freedom. And speaking of investments, let's now explore the investment strategies Ramsey recommends to maximize your returns. Dave Ramsey is a strong advocate of a well-structured investment strategy, especially for those looking to build wealth consistently. He recommends diversifying investments in mutual funds, which are divided into four main categories: growth and income, growth, aggressive growth, and international. This approach allows investors to take advantage of different market opportunities, minimizing risks and maximizing long-term returns. Growth and income funds, for example, combine dividend-paying stocks with those that have growth potential. This mix not only provides a stable passive income through dividends, but also offers the opportunity for capital appreciation. Ramsey highlights that this category is particularly useful for those looking to build a solid retirement foundation, as it offers a consistent income source over the years. On the other hand, growth funds are focused on companies that are in the expansion phase. These investments may not pay immediate dividends, but have significant appreciation potential. Ramsey believes that this category is ideal for investors who are comfortable with a bit more risk in exchange for greater return potential. He suggests that, to maximize wealth growth, a significant portion of the portfolio should be allocated to growth funds, especially for those with a longer investment horizon. Aggressive growth funds, as the name suggests, target high-risk, high-return companies. Ramsey advises caution with this category, recommending that it be a smaller part of the total portfolio due to its volatility. However, for investors who understand the risks and are willing to accept them, this can be an excellent way to increase wealth rapidly. It's important to remember that diversification is key, and not to put all your eggs in one basket. Finally, international funds offer exposure to markets outside the United States. Ramsey argues that this geographic diversification is crucial for protecting investments against economic fluctuations specific to one region. Investing internationally allows investors to benefit from economic growth in different parts of the world, complementing the domestic growth strategy. He suggests that, even for those who are just starting, it's important to consider a portion of the portfolio in international funds. This carefully selected mix of investments is a recipe for building sustainable and diversified wealth. Now that we have a solid foundation of investment strategies, it is crucial to understand the importance of ongoing financial education and choosing advisors who prioritize teaching over selling. Let's explore this further. Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of financial education as a fundamental pillar for financial success. He believes that without a clear understanding of how money works, it's easy to make mistakes that can be costly in the long run. Therefore, he encourages everyone to continuously educate themselves about personal finance, whether through books, online courses, or seminars. The idea is that the more you know about money, the better equipped you are to make decisions that will increase your wealth and provide financial freedom. Ramsey also stresses that choosing the right financial advisors is crucial. He recommends seeking professionals with an educational approach who focus on teaching rather than selling financial products. This is important because an education-focused advisor is more interested in your financial success than in earning commissions. Ramsey believes that a good financial advisor is like a teacher, someone who clears up doubts, offers practical advice, and helps plan a long-term strategy. To illustrate, imagine a scenario where someone is considering investing in stocks. An educational advisor can explain the different types of stocks, what a dividend is, and how the stock market works. This kind of guidance is essential to avoid impulsive and poorly informed decisions, which often result in financial losses. Ramsey suggests that before investing, It is important to fully understand where your money is going and what you can expect from it in the long run. Ramsey also points out that financial education is not something you learn once and then forget. It is an ongoing process that involves staying updated with market changes, new investment strategies, and new financial technologies. He encourages everyone to read books on finance, follow expert blogs, and attend workshops. Some recommended books include The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, both of which offer valuable insights into wealth building and financial education. Another important point Ramsey brings up is the need to demystify the process of financial consulting. Many people avoid seeking help out of fear of appearing ignorant or due to distrust of advisors. However, he argues that financial consulting is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom, provided you find a trustworthy and ethical advisor. He suggests asking detailed questions and checking advisors' credentials to ensure they align with your financial goals. In conclusion, financial education and choosing good advisors are essential for avoiding mistakes and maximizing your investments. Now that we've covered these aspects, let's recap and understand how to start investing, even for beginners, following Dave Ramsey's advice. This leads us to explore more about how to begin this investment journey effectively and safely. So, are you ready to apply all this knowledge and transform your financial life? The journey to financial freedom may seem challenging, but with the right principles, it is perfectly achievable. Dave Ramsey has shown us that by avoiding debt, investing wisely, and seeking continuous financial education, anyone can build wealth and secure a comfortable retirement. Wizard, think about what you could achieve by redirecting car payments to investments or choosing financial advisors who truly teach rather than sell. Are you ready to take the next step and start investing in your future? What will be your first move to build passive income and achieve financial freedom? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning more about mastering your finances and achieving your life goals. Let's embark on this journey together.